Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you 5 simple survival and bushcraft techniques using a rain poncho. A rain poncho is a basic piece of bushcraft gear and has a wide range of uses in survival and stealth camping. Remember, a good poncho isn't just made from a durable material, it should also have grommets in the corners which allow you to turn it into a shelter, as well as buttons or snaps so you can fasten it properly. Besides its main purpose of protecting you and your backpack from the rain, this piece of gear has many other uses, and in this video I'll show you 5 of them. Before we start, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a like, drop a comment or subscribe to my channel. As a small creator, it's really hard to reach a wider audience, so every bit of support helps me grow and achieve my goals. And now let's get into the first technique. The first use of a poncho is an emergency shoulder bag that you can make if your backpack fails or if you lose it for some reason. It's incredibly simple to make, but it works really well. To create this emergency bag, you need to tightly tie together 2 opposite corners of your poncho, then grab the other 2 corners and tie them as well, but not as tightly as the first pair. This will create a handle. And once it's done, you can proudly carry your new bag. In my opinion, the best way to wear it is across your chest. The next way to use a poncho is a shelter, which I've already shown before in one of my shorts. To make it, you need to tie a piece of cord to a tree. The height depends on how well you want to stay hidden. The lower you set it up, the less visible you'll be. And after attaching the cord to the tree and the poncho, you secure the 3 corner grommets of the poncho to the ground using tent stakes. If you don't have any, you can easily carve some out of sticks. At this point, you already have a basic version of the shelter, which is enough to protect you from things like rain. However, we can add some more upgrades to make it much more comfortable. To do that, grab the hood and tie it off with a piece of cord. First, it helps seal the roof, making it more waterproof. Second, if you tie that cord to a nearby tree at the right height, you can significantly increase the space inside the shelter. This way you create enough room for both you and your backpack, or even 2 people, if you position yourself properly. Another use of a poncho is its camouflage capability. It's a great tool for personal concealment, especially for beginner stealth campers or for anyone moving through terrain in non-tactical clothing who needs to quickly hide their presence. Most ponchos available in outdoor stores come in camouflage patterns. On top of that, when fully opened up, a poncho does a great job of breaking up your silhouette. Because of this, if you crouch behind a tree or a bush and stay still, you become almost invisible to people passing by. Another technique is turning your poncho into a bivy bag or even an improvised sleeping bag, which in an emergency situation could potentially save your life. It's very simple to make. Just lay the poncho flat on the ground and fasten all the buttons so it forms a kind of tunnel. My poncho has gaps between some of the buttons, so in those spots I tie them together using the cords that came with it. This kind of bivy bag can protect your sleeping bag from getting wet, or if you don't have a proper sleeping bag, this improvised version can help you retain most of your body heat. And of course, it also protects you from the rain. And the last, and in my opinion the most interesting technique, is a last resort shelter. To make this work, you'll also need a small candle and a fire source. In this case, I'm just using a regular lighter. In survival situations, your biggest enemy is temperature. You can survive about 2 weeks without food, around 2 days without water, but hypothermia can kill you in as little as 2 hours. That's why this technique can literally save your life. Light the candle, sit under your poncho and place it beneath you. This method can significantly raise your body temperature in a very short time, and you can repeat it multiple times if needed. The candle quickly heats up the air trapped under the poncho, as well as your cold body, which can help you survive in even very harsh conditions. However, you need to be very careful not to burn your poncho. Keep the flame at a safe distance and always make sure it's stable. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments if you like this kind of instructional presentation style format. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so the channel can grow and reach more people. You can also share this video with your friends if you think there's something in here they should see. And I'll see you in the next videos. Take care, bye.